design. And before starting our new sim, I would like us to come to the whiteboard and choose one question to answer. Okay? Let's start. Any volunteers? Okay.
What conventions do you use every day? Okay, in today's rapidly evolving world, mankind is living in the 21st century that calls with variety of modern technologies like computers, gadgets, smartphones, and devices. And when it comes to myself, I use everyday electronic gadgets like my mobile phone and my computer. It helps me to communicate with my relatives and my loved ones. So, moreover, computer is my daily basis, helpful very to make a presentation for myself.
Okay, thank you. Nice.
Can technology make our life easier? So yeah, I think it does, because technology can easier our lives, because it's because of it we can communicate faster around the world and do tasks easily and access different information on social media. So I think it does.
Okay, thank you.
Would you like to invent something, and what would it be?
Okay.
I think in the future I would love to create a smart pen. In terms of its ability, I can say this pen can find any answer to any kind of question.
Right.
That's why it can make easier to our accessibility and our study skills. So it would be useful in the future.
Thank you. Thanks.
Do you think creativity is important in modern life?
Right.
Yes, I think it is. In my opinion, it is very important in today's fast-changing life because it can help people to solve their problems in their own way and develop their new ideas and express themselves. It is really important in their education, work, or daily life. In their daily life, creativity helps in.
So, what's the most useful innovation in your opinion? So, if I talk about this the most useful innovation, I think that's that we use in daily life and which spreads the smart life in for all human beings. And then, for example, I can say the digital products in our life, for maybe like smartphones and the notebooks and also another. And I think the most useful innovation is that makes our life easier.
The design and innovation. I think you all know, because you are living in a fast-paced world, you live in the world of technology, right? Innovations. So how do you understand the word, two terms like innovation and design? Think.
Design is about the creativity of human beings, and innovation is about the creativity and making. It's creating. Design is the first, and the next one is innovation.
Okay.
I think innovation is the same, like a discovery, like smartphones, televisions, and design is it is look, how they work, how they function.
Okay, let's look at our presentation. You can see here it's colorful here. So what is this creating something? So who told that it's creating? You told. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, yes. It's creating something useful, attractive, and practical. See? That's design. And designers plan how products, buildings, websites, clothes, or apps should look and work. That is design. Clear? Okay. Next. So see here smartphones, fashion, furniture, websites, cars. They are the types of or examples of design. And design combines to itself what? Creativity, functionality, and problem solving. So all this about design, right? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. What is innovation? All these terms are not new for you because you're living in this world and you know. For example, if someone asked me several years ago about the innovation design, maybe I couldn't answer to these two terms. But for now, that's okay. So innovation means introducing what? New ideas, right? Innovacja, okay? Methods, technologies. Also, it's about existing things or creating something completely new. Innovation can happen in technology, education, medicine, transportation, communication. For example, what kind of innovation or innovation you know in medicine?
Transplantation organs maybe.
Right. Okay. Surgery.
Several years ago, this kind of surgery couldn't be imagined.
By people, yes? It was impossible, right? What about education?
Education?
Yes, innovation. E-boards. So you see, we are working with e-boards. As I,
Studying
online, right? Computers. Even, can we say AI?
Yes.
The type of innovation. Okay. What about technologies? Innovation in technologies.
Different
Machines. What else?
every kind of things in our daily life. Maybe lights or doors or maybe windows and several modern doors. Maybe
Can be the type of the
innovation.
Right. Nice. So here is as well we have examples of innovation, and the first example is, as we told with you, artificial intelligence, AI, and we have different types of artificial intelligence as well. We have Gemini, ChatGPT. What else? What kind of DeepSeek, for example? We have different ways of AI. Next, electric cars. Right? In technology. Online learning. In education. Yes. Okay. And smart homes, smart boards. All these are the types of the innovation. Even we have smart homes. Yes, we can control our home remotely using our phones or devices, right? Okay. So, what are the importance of two terms like design and innovation? What do you think? What are their importance?
Exactly for the improving the daily life.
Yes, for improving our daily life. Next example.
Saving time and
Yes, first of all, it's saving your time.
and
What else? And your energy, of course. So you don't use much effort for doing anything, yes, any activity. You can use your device, digital device, and with the help of that, you can just manage your time, save your time, and your energy as well. Okay, next. Encourage creativity. We told with you solve global problems. Do you agree with this? Design and Right. Okay, what else? Online education, for example, staying at home, you can study without using any public transportation, which can harm our environment. Yeah? Okay. So without innovation, society cannot progress for now. Okay. Again, types of innovation. We have product innovation. Look please, smart homes, smart boards, wireless headphones. So that's the product innovation. Second type is process innovation. What does it mean? It's improving the way things are produced or organized. Yeah. For example, robots in factories. Yes. For example, in manufacturers, people don't work now.
Yes.
Robots instead of people, they are working.
People only manage them.
Yes, they only manage the robots. Okay, technological innovation. Artificial intelligence, virtual reality. For example, wearing glasses, virtual glasses, you can move from one place to another virtually. Next, 3D printing. Right? Okay, and we have also social innovation. What does it mean, social innovation? Right? Charity apps and okay. Nice. So, what are the characteristics of innovative people? First, they are what? Creative, curious. What does it mean, curious? Yes. Interested in everything. Open-minded. Problem solver. And risk taker. Okay. Next, for example, we have innovative people, famous people in the world. Yes, everyone knows. First, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and Thomas Edison. Right? Okay. I think you know all these famous people. Advantages of innovation. So we talked with you. Communication, yes. Time escaping or saving your time. Easier transportation. Moving from one place to another. Better health care. Because we have a lot of improved innovative healthcare. Next, more educational opportunities and inclusive productivity. Right? Challenges of innovation. What are the challenges, girls? Yes, it costs high, expensive. Right. Environmental problems, yeah, in some cases. Technology addiction. We forgot about it. Yes. For example, in education, you used to use your AI. Use everywhere. Yeah? Instead of brain, right? Risk of unemployment. Yeah. In factories, as I told you, robots are working, but not people. And ethical concerns. Okay. So what is ethical concerns? In communication, right. So in conclusion, design and innovation shape the modern world. Right? Yes. And also it helps people solve problems, improve quality of life, create new opportunities, and okay. I have some vocabulary words related to the innovation and design. Let's look at quickly, then we'll move to our activities, okay? Yes. Let's look. A hard building material made from cement. Okay. Construction. Okay. Cottage. Design. Okay. Drawing plan. Yeah. Device. Just let's save this finish, please. Okay. Thank you. Elevator. Lift. In other words, lift. Yeah. Right.
Small machine or electronic device.
Right. Housing. Buildings or homes where vertical space in building. Right. Occupant.
A person who lives in
Building.
a large open place where stones
Mana shuni chuqur bo'ladi. Qazilaydigan joylar bo'ladi. Narsa nimalarida paydo bo'ladi.
Yes. It's used most. Next. Residence. Okay. Skyscraper. Tall building. Spacious. Okay. The space. So, I think everything was clear. Yes. And you already know about design and innovation. So, I would like you to divide into two groups. As usual, count for 1, 2, 1, 2. Just count quickly. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here, numbers. Okay. And we have a randomizer. Yes. We just turn around the randomizer, and which randomizer first? This person will answer to the questions. Okay, let's start. The number you have. Yes. That's all? No. Aziza, okay, you're welcome. Technology can people not live without today.
All technology plays an integral role in our lives, but also most least what I think. Because we can communicate frequently with our family.
What innovation do you think is unnecessary?
I think it's dishwasher. Dishwasher because of this, especially like girls, can be some lazy.
Oh yes.
I think the funnest innovation is robots. They are so interesting.
You are going off of topic. You can imagine. Yes.
I can imagine robots as
Words. Unscrambled words. And it's connected to innovation and design. One member from each group. One point. One point. Yeah, be quick, please. Technology.
Two?
Yes, you will come down. And page. Sağ bros. Come. So from this group. Let's start group work.
Buni biz bajarishimiz kerak.
Next person.
Thank you for all. I hope you don't have questions. If you have questions, you may ask. No? You don't have questions? Okay. And everything was clear. I hope, yes. Now you can differentiate the two terms like innovation and design, yeah? And you learned a lot of vocabulary words. And I gave you, okay? Your home task I will give you. You can place your group. Just a minute. 58, page 50, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and 2.1.